Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. This month on Resin Bell, we're going to be doing 30 pours in 30 days. Oh my gosh. A resin on a resin channel? Shocking. I know, right? So we're going to be working with UV resin, epoxy resin. We're going to be doing dirty pours, coasters, jewelry, trays, all kinds of different things. So it's going to get wild. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. So today is the 30th and final video in the 30 Pours in 30 Days series, and I'm going to be making a little pendant with this mold from the jewelry shop and blue moon beads. I got this at Hobby Lobby a while back, a couple of years ago. I don't know if they still have those, but you can find those molds on Amazon and stuff, and if I can find it, I will put the link in the description box below. And I'm going to be using one of these little tiny skeleton charms that I picked up from Temu, and I will link that in the description box as well. You can use my referral link to get a discount on your purchases, as well as find all of the products that I have purchased from Temu very easily. And yeah, so go check that out if you would. That would definitely help my channel. And so yeah, we're just gonna get started here. I think these are super cute. They're little lightweight metal skeleton charms. So yeah, I'm gonna put one of those inside of here. So quick little video, nothing too complicated, but I think it's going to be fun. So this little guy, I think it's going to fit down in here just right. Yeah, I think he's gonna be kind of cool in there. Yeah, so alrighty, I think the first thing I need to do is put some wire on that. So I'm going to put some wire on this, and that way I have a little bit of let's see here, control over, that way I have a little bit of control over where he sits and where he goes. I think that's pretty much where I want him to be, right there. So yeah, that'll work out pretty well. Alright, so the next thing I need to do is add some resin. So I'm going to be using UV resin from Counterculture DIY today. And I'm just going to slowly let it go to the other end of the bottle. I don't want to include any bubbles, so I'm going to do this pretty slowly. This is got some bubbles attached at the end there, so I'll wipe those away. I'll start it at the side so that I can slowly pour in a drip, because I don't want to trap an air bubble down there at the tip. So it's got a pretty sharp tip down there, so I'm just allowing that bubble to that drip to slowly go into the tip there. I think I'll use this. Yeah, that worked out pretty well. Okay, so now I'm going to put my little guy in there. Just going to put him right in the center. Try my best to put him in the center. As he may or may not want to go. Okay. Pretty happy with that. Fill in a little bit more. Okay, now I can cure it. Okay, so now that that part is cured, I'm just going to carefully fold this. I'm going to do a little bit of wire wrapping. Okay, just trying to get that bottom part down there to not be bent sideways so that that little swirl can rest on top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish filling up my mold. I've almost finished off this bottle and it's taking forever to come out. Come out, come out. Now to cure. Wait till that stops moving. Okay, so it's in there, it's cured, and now it's time to pull it out. Now for the hard part. Hey, it's not so bad when that's on there. Alright, so that looks kind of cool, y'all. I like it. It's super cool. Yeah. Very, very cool. Interesting. So that little crystal with a skeleton inside is super fun. So now this can be added to anything I want to add it to. I can just create a little... Take the rest of it and wire wrap it around. And there we have it, a little wire wrapped pendant and super cute. How fun would that be for like a little Halloween keychain, or you know, some beads, add some beads to it, make some little dangles, some clips for your bag or whatever. But I like it, super cool. These little charms from Temu are the perfect size to go in these little tiny little molds like this, so you know, have fun with that. I'm thinking it would be really cool to do like one side a color and then put the put the skull the skeleton in there and then fill it with the clear so it has like a colorful background. Would be kind of cool. Some glitter in the resin stuff would be really cute, so that's kind of fun. I kind of like this idea where you can just kind of use that wire as your topper. Now these the ones that I got anyway, they come with these little gold things that you would slide down, but sometimes they fit, sometimes they don't, and you know, I didn't want gold, so that's a good way to, and then you know, once you use all of those, then you don't have any more, you've just got the mold. Well, you can make your own kind of little dangle or clips. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. All of the 30 pours in 30 days videos for the series will be linked in the description box below. Go check out that playlist for lots of different creative ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you hanging in there with me and crafting along with me and sharing your ideas and stopping to talk, and that's just been a wonderful thing this last month. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I will see you guys later.